All right, folks, 572 is all put together, and now I'm gonna break it in on this engine stand we made just to make sure everything's cool, no leaks and stuff before I put it in the car. So we slapped a carburetor on top of here because I'm set up to use fuel injection, but it's easier to start it up with the carburetor without running all the computers and stuff on the stand. So basically we set up just to start this joint up and run about 15-20 minutes, break in process I guess, and we're gonna shut it down. Put my old bell housing on here, made a stand for it to be on this stand. So we're gonna try to start it up. All right, here we go. Come on, before you feel over. Oh, my bad. The wires off. That was hanging on the header. Yeah. All right. Right? Fuel pressure's up. Right. The screaming noise came from the two pulleys, the water pump pulley and the crank pulley. I only got these two pulleys on here because I'm running a Pro Charger, and the Pro Charger is going to have a different set of pulleys on it. So I had rigged up a water pump pulley to go with the Pro Charger pulley, and then apparently they was rubbing together, and eventually, after some time of them rubbing together, they finally made some kind of clearance, and after the clearance was established between the two pulleys, the noise went away. So it sounded pretty good.